So right now, how to start spot trading in your WEEX exchange. So if you want to start a spot trading in your WEEX exchange, you just follow the steps in this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. So right now, once you've deposited your USDT to your WEEX exchange, and then you now open the interface this way, what you need to do right now is to now click on asset below. So now once you click on assets, once you click on your asset, you realize that we have some funds in our funding wallet, and for us to enable trading, or for us to be able to trade with this, we need to move it from our funding to our spot trade. So for you to do that, you now click on transfer at the top. So now once you click on transfer, you now click on this drop down to interchange from funding to spot, and then you now click on maximum. That means you are sending all your USDT from your funding to your spot account, and you now click on confirm. Fund transfer successfully. So right now, what you need to do right now, you navigate back. So now once you navigate back, you now click on trade. So now once you click on trade, where we have WXT/USDT, if you wish to trade any other token apart from that, here is our favorite. You now click on spot, since the tutorial is about spot trading. So now once you click on spot, you now look for the token you wish to trade on. But in my own case, there is token I've been holding for a while, and I still want to go more. So I'll now click on WXT/USDT, which is a utility token for WEEX exchange, right? So now once you click on that, you now click on this drop down, you change it from limit to market, right? So now once you do that, you now drag this point. It's either you insert the number of USDT manually, or you now use this arrow to drag to show the amount you wish to trade. So right now, I want to trade with the whole 31.4 USDT. So now once you are good with that, you now proceed and you now click on buy WX. So now order placed successfully. So this is how to trade spot on your WEEX exchange. So if you want to sell, for example, you now click on sell. Once you click on sell, you now click on change it from, okay, it's already on market, and then you now drag. That means you are selling this about these numbers of WXT, right? So now once you click on that, you now see the equivalent in USDT. But in my own case, I'm not ready to sell. So this is how to trade or to enable spot trading in your WEEX exchange. So if this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.